Why bother learning programming if AI is going to take over everything? We are hearing this more and more, but the truth is, now is the perfect time to start learning programming. In this video you will find out why programming remains a valuable skill even in the age of artificial intelligence, and how you can start today. Hi, I'm Raphael, a passionate developer and computer science teacher. Here you will find coding vlogs, step-by-step tutorials and motivation to help you start learning programming and to stay on track. I started programming 10 years ago without any prior knowledge and with many questions. Today, after completing my degree, I teach computer science and can help you with my personal experience. Getting started isn't as difficult as it seems. There is no best time to begin, but the best moment is right now. Today, I will give you 5 reasons why you should start learning programming. Let's dive right in. Reason number 1. Programming opens career doors in IT. Whether you want to become a software developer, build your own apps or websites, or simply understand the technology behind things, programming is a skill needed in almost every industry. And the best part, you don't need to study computer science to get started. With many online courses, online tutorials and communities, you can teach yourself a lot and dive into the world of programming step by step. Whether you're interested in web development, artificial intelligence, apps or data analysis, there are countless job opportunities. Companies need people to develop software, improve systems or automate digital processes. And this isn't just true for large tech companies like Google or Microsoft. Even in smaller companies or startups or fields like medicine, finance and education, programming skills are in demand. The cool part being a developer, you're not tied to a specific location. Many developers work fully remote or in shared offices like this one. That means theoretically you could be sitting on the beach as long as you have stable internet connection and still make money. Reason number 2. Programming enhances creative problem solving. Every programming project is basically like an exciting puzzle. You have a problem and your task is to find the best and the most efficient solution. It's not just about mindlessly writing code. Rather, you train your brain to think logically, be creative and constantly discover new ways to overcome challenges. And my personal tip, start with small projects. Start with small projects like a calculator or a to-do list. Every completed project gives you more motivation and a sense of achievement and fresh motivation. With programming, you learn to approach complex problems step by step. Big tasks often feel overwhelming, but when you break them down into smaller, manageable parts, they suddenly become achievable. That's what happens in every coding project. You figure out what you want to achieve, analyze the individual steps, and find the best way to solve the problem. This structured thinking helps you not only in programming, but in many areas of life, such as project planning or solving everyday problems. The great thing about programming, you can let your imagination run wild. Whether you're developing an app, programming a video game or designing a website, there are no hard limits. If you have an idea, you can gradually turn it into reality. And the best part, you decide what the final result looks like. And here comes reason number 3. You can realize your own ideas. From a simple website to complex apps. When you can program, there are almost no limits what you can create. And a huge advantage, when you can program yourself, you're not dependent on others to bring your visions to life. If you come up with a cool app idea or need a specific feature for your website, you can just get started yourself. And another plus, everything you program yourself can later serve as a reference. Whether you want to start a personal blog, create a portfolio site for an application, or even implement your own business idea, with programming knowledge you have all these tools to make your vision a reality. Reason number 4. Programming is more accessible than ever before. It's never been easier to start programming. Thanks to the internet, there are countless resources to make the entry much easier. And the best part, many of these resources are free or low cost. A real game changer when it comes to learning programming is the support from artificial intelligence. Tools like chatbots or code assistants like GitHub Copilot or ChatGPT help you to find solutions much easier and much faster, or to fix bugs and understand complex problems. If you're stuck writing code, you can just ask the AI. It will explain things and suggest alternatives or help to optimize your code. This gives you time and helps you to learn more effectively. One important thing: while AI is an incredible help, it doesn't replace the need for a basic understanding. It's worthwhile to learn the basics like variables, loops, conditions, and the basic structure of an HTML document, so you can truly understand and make good use of the AI's suggestions. With a solid foundation, you can use AI more purposefully and learn how the code works behind the scenes. In short, AI makes life much easier, but you have to learn the basics. And reason number 5, programming strengthens your career opportunities, even outside of IT. You don't have to become a software developer. Programming skills are a real asset in many non-technical professions. In areas like marketing, design, finance, or project management, even basic coding skills can make a big difference. Why? Because with programming knowledge, you can better understand technical processes, work more efficiently, and automate tasks. While others are going through tedious manual processes, you can simplify repetitive tasks or analyze data more quickly with just a few lines of code. In marketing, for example, you can automate data analysis from social media to spot trends. In design, programming skills help you create interactive websites or implement design prototypes technically. In finance, you can calculate large datasets, automate reports, or process Excel data with scripts. In project management, you better understand how developers work, communicate on an equal footing, and can formulate technical requirements more clearly. With simple Python scripts, you can analyze data, automatically generate reports, or complete recurring tasks more efficiently. Imagine you get a CSV file with customer data every week. Instead of sorting it manually, a short program could clean up the file, analyze it, and extract the most important information. Particularly foundation knowledge in web development such as HTML, CSS or JavaScript is helpful in many jobs. For example, if you work in marketing and your company runs an online store, you can leverage your knowledge directly. Using SEO optimization, you understand how to optimize meta tags, loading times or structured data to improve rankings in search engines. You can adjust the landing pages. Smaller changes like inserting tracking code, editing text or optimizing forms can be done by you without needing to hire an agency. And you can better collaborate with agencies. When you understand the technical basics, you can communicate better with external service providers, clearly outline requirements, and evaluate their work. This not only saves time and money, but also gives you more flexibility and a better understanding of the technical processes behind digital projects. With coding knowledge, you become a key person on the team who can tackle both creative and technical challenges. If you liked the video, give it a thumb up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything. And leave a comment down below. Why do you want to start learning programming? And what's the programming language you will use? I'm excited to hear about your thoughts.